All right, this is Dr. Buford. I'm here with one of my favorite patients who did a 3-centimeter rotator cuff repair arthroscopically about 3.5 months ago. And we're just checking his motion today back in the office. Go ahead and show us what you can do.
Okay.
So that's pretty good. How about out to the side and abduction? And then palm up and over. Great. Behind your back. And over across your body. Are you still in physical therapy?
Yes.
Is your strength improving? How do you feel there?
I just started working on that about 2 or 3 weeks ago, just some light strength,
Okay.
resistance stuff, but yeah, coming along.
Okay, great. Well, that's really the next part of the rehab for us. So I appreciate your hard work and thanks for letting us video this exam.